In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank in Zoho Books. If you no longer use a bank account in your Zoho Books organization, removing it can help keep your banking section clean and easier to manage. Before you delete anything, it's a good idea to make sure you've selected the correct account, since deleting the wrong bank connection can create confusion later. With that said, let's walk through the process together. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard or home area, depending on your setup. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because the bank account you delete will only be removed from the organization you're currently viewing. Next, go to the left side navigation menu and click Banking. This will open the banking section, where you can see the bank accounts and cards currently connected or added to Zoho Books. Take a moment here to identify the exact bank account you want to remove. Once you've found it, open that specific bank account. This will take you to the bank account page, where you can review its details and make changes related to that account. If you want to be extra careful, this is a good point to double-check the account name before moving forward. After that, look for the gear icon on the bank account page and click it. This will open a drop-down menu with additional settings and actions related to the account. From that menu, select Delete. Zoho Books will then display a confirmation message. Read this message carefully before continuing. This step is important because it gives you one last chance to confirm that you're deleting the correct bank account and that you understand the action you're about to take. If everything looks right, click Delete to remove the bank account. After you confirm, Zoho Books will process the request and delete the selected bank account from your banking list. Finally, go back to the banking page and verify that the account has been removed. Check the list of available bank accounts and confirm that the one you deleted no longer appears there. This final check helps ensure the process was completed successfully. And that's it. That's how to delete a bank in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.